I'm good. Greetings to all the fathers for this upcoming Father's Day. Very special day, and one that is being recognized more and more, because as fathers, some of us we have just not taken up our responsibility. But I don't want to start there. I want to start at the point where I have 3 beautiful children, adult children now, and I will say right up front, I was not the perfect father, but I did what I could. And in conversations with them as adults, they have shared with me the things that I did well and the things that I did not do so well. And yes, I apologize to them for those things that I didn't do well. Advice as a to be a father, being a father, you need to be a daddy. You need to be a daddy. And that requires work on ourselves as fathers and dads. And it is a challenging time. I don't know that anything is new under the sun, but what I do know is that there is more revelation, certainly spiritually. As a Christian, I truly believe that the Lord reveals things unto us. And so we're at a point where we're talking about men more and affording that opportunity to look at ourselves and understand who we are and work on ourselves. And it doesn't matter whether you're the dad of a newborn, youngster, teenager, an adult, and remember that your children will always be your children. It doesn't matter how old they become, they'll always be your children, and you must be that daddy that they can go to. But I think that understanding yourself and working on yourself, the data shows that about 70% of us men need work on ourselves, and it's understandable because it's life and we go through a lot of things socially, from the home to environmental and all the things that impact us right through school, adulthood, and working world. So once we do that work, which is continuous, I think we'll make better fathers and better dads. And so on this upcoming Father's Day, I want to let you know that it's all right. Coming from somebody who was able to successfully raise 3 kids who are now working and doing well, it is going to be okay. And for those of you who are grounded in the Lord, look to Him for guidance. And He will show you the way, and He will put the people around you to help you. So I want to say, a happy and a God bless Father's Day to all the fathers wherever you are, and enjoy the day. Today is your day. If you want to eat ice cream, KFC, you like a nice steak and some red rice, whatever it is, enjoy it and just enjoy the time with your family. For those of us who are fortunate to have family around us, and for those of us who don't have our family for whatever reason, know that there's always hope and there's always restitution, and live in that hope. So all the very best. Have a great Father's Day.